Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I decided that I wanted to load a quick video on my YouTube channel on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, because I wanted to just first thank all of you guys for all of your love and support and just all the sweet comments that I get from all of you guys. It literally just makes me keep wanting to craft because you just give me so much inspiration and so much encouragement, and I just love you guys to death. So I just wanted to say that, and I also just wanted to just do a quick shout out video for Cheaply Chic. She and I have become dear friends over the last couple of years. I'm gonna try not to get emotional. So I'm going to do a quick shout out to my dear friend Cheaply Chic, Lynette. She has become a dear friend of mine over the last couple of years, and I have enjoyed her collections so much that I just knew I had to do a video. Unfortunately, I got this a little bit late because unfortunately her and her husband came down with COVID, and I think she's okay with me sharing that. I think she's shared it on her channel. I hope it's all right, Lynette, that I shared that. But she, yeah. So anyway, she wasn't able to get this to me until pretty late in the November, which completely understand. She took care of herself. She rested, and she's feeling much better. Thank God. So I just wanted to do this video kind of like as an homage or a thank you to her for all of the beautiful things that she puts together every month, and the heart that she puts into it. I mean, I know she plans things out months and months in advance, and you know, life gets in the way, and she's running her business out of her home, and she's, you know, basically the only person doing it, and she puts these amazing collections together. And I wanted to specifically open this one because it's kind of a Thanksgiving type theme journal, and I haven't even opened it. I probably got it about a week ago and haven't opened it because I definitely wanted to open it on camera with you guys and then record this and put this up on Thursday for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to open this. I do want to mention as I'm opening this that her next collection for Christmas is coming out tomorrow. So if you're seeing this video on Thanksgiving, go to her channel. Her link is in the description. Click the show more button, or however it works now on YouTube, and click that button and get over to her channel, get notifications, subscribe to her, get notifications, tell her I said hi in the comments. I know she just uploaded yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I can't remember exactly, but she uploaded her giveaway. Not sure how long that's going to be available, but go do that now and then come back to this video, so that you will be able to get her collections for the next time she posts collections. I'm very thankful that I don't have to worry about it because I'm on her design team and I don't have to worry about getting one. I'm automatically going to get one, thankfully. So yeah, so let me go ahead and pull this aside. This is the lovely, beautiful journal for this November month, and it has this really pretty dark brown seam binding. I love she kind of used this vintage. She's never done this before. Like, she's used a vintage envelope on the front. That is really clever. That's very clever. 1955. And yeah, and the collection is called So Blessed, and she used the paper pack. I think she told me she used this paper, so I hope this is right. She said she used this paper, I think. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, so she used this paper collection, The Simple Stories, Simply Vintage Great Escape. I don't think they actually, I think they're kind of sold out of it, but I'm sure this is no longer available, just to put this out there. I'm literally just showing this so as an example of the things that you get when you get her collections. So this is the book, and basically what it is a lot of different tea dye papers, music sheets. She sometimes puts magazine papers in here, book pages, graph paper, cellophane, that's not the right word, old printer paper, all different kinds of paper. And then she typically sews some really pretty thing on the front, and then she gives you all the bits and pieces to decorate with this. And then her design team and herself provide you with inspiration. So if you're not subscribed to me and you're a junk journaler, you should subscribe, because I do pretty good work, if I might say so myself. So let me just open this real quick. And as I open this, I'm actually going to set up the shot for my picture that I'm going to take after this. So I'm going to kind of start from the back and work from the front. So here is a really cool book page, probably from an Ideals book, I would assume. I love the texture of this. Really cute little nature theme. Oh, and then the wallpaper. Very cool. And then the music sheet. It's a big, huge piece of music sheet. And then another book page. Some poetry on it, looks like. And then this is really adorable. I love this. I love it when it has like the little holes in the side. And look at the illustrations on this. That's a really good find, Lynette. I love that. Ooh, what's this? This looks like handwritten. Wow. I wonder if that's handwritten. It must not be. But it's not English. But that is really cool. I like that. And then there's a beautiful napkin with pumpkins and floral. Beautiful. A couple of brown envelopes. Love those. And then she gave us a little 6x6 piece of paper with the mushrooms on it. And then the back of that has some birdies and postage stamp stuff. And then this one has leaves and then some words on the other side. And then another really pretty pumpkin napkin. Really pretty. Let's put this kind of in front so you can see it a little bit. And then there's a big packet of stuff in here. Doily. A really cool mushroom playing card. Love. And then of course this package is just packed full of goodies. Let's start from the back. There is time card. She always gives us the cutoff to the journal. So the journal is 8.5 by 11 when you open it up. And so she gives us the cutoff page for a tag. And I love that it matches with the collection. A guest check. Just another manila envelope or manila tag. She typically includes a tag that's stamped, that's hand stamped by her. There is another little tag, a layaway tag. And then we have an envelope in here, a little coin envelope. This is all that was in that one bag. And then she typically does include a library pocket for the front or wherever you want to put it. A glossing bag. This looks like a little card. Like it probably is like a little table card. And then this goes in the pocket, a little library pocket. So all of that was in that one bag with, of course, the paper clip. And then she typically always provides some fibers for us. And then there's paper clips in this little glossing bag. The fibers this week, or this, I'm in love with the fibers this time. I love this color combination. This just reminds me of Lynette. I know she loves like these greens and these neutral kind of tones. I'm sure she had a lot of fun putting this together. I'm sure she probably would have had even more fun if she wasn't suffering from COVID. But those are beautiful. I love that. And then we have the bookmark. She always includes a bookmark. This one is really cool. It's got a kind of like a, I don't even know how to describe that. It's kind of like marble. Looks really cool, almost like a tiger's eye. So that, it's not really technically, I don't use it as a bookmark, it's just a dangly bit for me. And then we have a lot of sequency bits in here. I'm gonna put up 2 pictures of what I did with this. So I'm gonna, you know what, here, I'll just grab it. So in my last journal that I got from her, so I took these little bits, the little leaf confetti, and I made a wreath out of it. And then the other thing that I did, I think it's in this one, is this. So with these little gym, flathead gym things, I created this page with that. This was last year or the year before that. So it gives you an idea of what you can do with these little bits. And then last but not least, another little packet of goodies, some tickets and a paper clip, another little ticket, and then it looks like there's a bunch of little die cut things in here. And of course, another glossine bag. She always includes cute little punches that you can put at the ends of your, I'll show you at the ends of your journal middle parts. And then here's what it looks like when the little dangly, like this little thing. And so there's some leaves in here and some punches from the paper, some little tickets, and then she included a couple little die cuts. Love all those. And then some craft paper, little leaf die cuts, and some tab punches. So that is all that was in this collection this time around. Now, if you are a collector of her collections, you will also potentially know that there is oftentimes her friend, Your Lady, provides us with extra goodies, and that was the case this time around. She provided basically a whole nother collection and a half at least of goodies. So I'm not going to necessarily go through this because this is not necessarily part of what she would typically get in a collection from Lynette. It's just you're pleasantly surprised when you get an extra bit of goodies. She just has a very generous friend that gives her some extra goodies every once in a while. So that's really all I wanted to do. I just wanted to kind of take some time to talk about her collections and just tell her thank you from the bottom of my heart for allowing me to be a part of your design team and share my talents with you guys. And I just have so much fun creating in her books, and it's been a true joy to get to know her. If you're not subscribed to her, you're just not living. You're just not living. She's just the sweetest person. So anyway, that's my little thank you to Lynette on this Thanksgiving day, and my thankful to you as well, to all my subscribers who, you know, give me the encouragement I need to continue to create and continue to keep going. So I appreciate all of you. I hope you have the greatest of Thanksgivings. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I'm still thankful for you. And I hope that you have a great weekend and a great rest of your holiday. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.